VUZI stock analysis and VUZI stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. Look, I've been in the market for 5 years. I have done 40,000 videos. It's all under my belt and it's on my YouTube channel documented. And I'm here to tell you that with Vuzix, I'm actually a very big fan of this pumping up trend, right? And because this is all I was kind of expecting previously. Expecting the price to come down so I can take it up. I was not behind it, you know, behind this chart at the time, but it just kind of did its thing. And I now have FOMO. Why didn't I set alerts? Because there's just so much tickers that I'm following, right? It can just starts to get overwhelming. But it's more so the YouTube. I'm not trading all of these, by the way. But ultimately, as I'm looking at VUZI, only if I do see the price pulling down and giving me some sort of a double break, then I'm going to be buying. But last thing that I'm going to be doing is randomly getting involved. And that's the lesson I've learned the hard way. But stay tuned. That's why I'm here, to keep you updated. With VUZI, I have previous receipts in my Discord. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails.